Okay, this is post-walk survival. I'm going to be going on my checklist of stuff I have. Okay. For the actually this is a beginner kit, and a lot of it. Okay, so the backpack was 5. Okay. This is probably like $1 or 2, so 6 or 7. 8.50. 11 something. And honestly, the compass that I have coming probably tomorrow, or I could just do this and free, and this is actually a very accurate compass. I know this for a fact. This pointing at south directly. Okay, so it's just a checklist. Oh, also this could be considered free since I already had it. So yeah, let's go to the thing. Okay, knife. Okay, this is $1.50. But honestly, it's full tang. That's why I pick it. Right. And to go with that, I have a way to put it into something. Put it into this. Yeah. Oh, look at that boy living out here. Christ. Fill rod. This one, I know it works. I have one that works. Or I could just get that one out. Nah, I would have a new one. Actually, no. I actually do have one in my wallet, which I do carry, but, two is one is on. So, yeah. The compass, this. Because, one, you can easily put it on your neck, so you don't lose it. And it is actually a good, it's an orienteering, or it's like a map orienteering type compass. As you see, it's still pointing south, even when it's up, which is a good thing. Okay. Bush pot. You knew I was going to use this. I had it. Either way, it's about $7. And yeah, reason I do it, you see that? It has a... bam. Oh wait, I do have... Ooh, no, I do have a cup I could use. I do have a cup I can use. That's actually kind of better quality. Yeah. Bam. Water bottle. This. By the way, it says it's $3. It's water bottle blue polka dot. Blue polka dot. Not blue, it's... And there's no polka dot. But it's like this. But it has like a carrying thing. I could do this. I could actually find another one of these. Easily. Right? But yeah, this is a pain in the butt to get out. Let me get that. Okay. You gotta do is you can do this. Just screw this like this. I don't know how many liters is this? I don't know. But yeah, it's wide. It's wide mouth, so I can just use it at the canteen. $3 plastic. But, oh well, whatever. I was going for cheap here. I was going as close to $20 as possible. With the thing I pretty much given over. So yeah. Okay. Jute twine. This was about $3, $3 or whatever it was. But this was, I already had this, so it was free. So yeah. Also with the thing, if I can put it in there, or I can just make another one, I don't care. This, nah, I'm not gonna put this in here, it's heavy. I want it as light as possible. Okay. Okay, cup, okay. Oh. Duh. Had to get the spoons out. Spoon and fork. I remember where the heck my thought. I don't remember which bag they're in. Okay, which side are we in? I'm gonna do one of these. What? That's weird. There you go. Let me do it. Okay. Did I not grab that bag? Was it right here? Over here? Yeah. Okay. Spoon and a fork. Right? These were $1, I think, for like 3. 2 or 3, this is 3, this is 3, 4, 6. So it's a little over $20, or it's gonna be way over. It's gonna be maybe 30 something dollars. Bam, but spoon and fork. Yeah. Cotton bandana. I have. I can get it real quick. That's it. Yeah, I couldn't find the one I have. So I'm gonna go to my big bag and just get the one that I have in here. That's the easiest. Here it is. Cotton bandana. That's the easiest to do. Leave you be. Okay. Cotton bandana. Actually, I was going to use that anyway because I pretty much downsized my bag anyway to not include that. Well, no. But yeah. One I can use for signaling, and one I can use for like filtering water and all that crap. I don't know which one, but yeah. Contractor bags, you know I got them. Come on. They're like 3 or 4 different types. Maybe if I have one that's in the prepping room, actually. Huh. Yeah. But you don't have that. Food is what I buy. I usually buy stuff that like a couple years, so I got that too. I got all but the airfield compass for me. Okay? I'm actually, you know, I could do 2. No. Let me go into my prepping room and get that cup. Actually, no. Oh, God. I'm going to probably fall. Oh, no. I do have a cup I could use. I do. Don't worry about that. You'll see what it is. So, yeah, I got pretty much all but the airfill compass, which I want an airfill compass because we're going to have on it. Making another cup of coffee because, yeah, I'm right now. Huh. What's up? What's up? This is my second cup of this in like 10 minutes. It has like only 0.3 whatever. No, you will come out, jerk. Yeah, this really is good though. In a second. And I forgot I moved the clear cutlery up in here. Okay. I forgot I moved the clear cutlery in here. So yeah, that's pretty much the kit. I might add... Oh, I forgot to add the first aid kit. First aid kit I'm using is this. Why? Because it says it's... I see good for hiking. As you see, this... Yeah, it will expire. The only thing that will expire is the... Does this actually have... It does not. Or does it? I don't know. No. What is it? What is that the other one? What non-prescription drug? Oh, everybody ointment is the only thing. As you see, hiking, biking, blah blah. Bam, and it's a decent kit too. I'll probably add some stuff to this. Ooh. So yeah, I got pretty much all my other stuff I'm using. I would put in some caffeinated coffee along with some decaf coffee though. I know, and what I'll do, actually what I could do is like just put in a chapstick. Come on, actually I do have a chapstick actually. Wait, it's in the small, no. Is it in the small bag? The small bag's way out there and I'm not trying to do that crap. Oh, I got a Halloween mask yesterday. Let me show you it. It is hyper realistic too. It's hyper realistic and it's just whatever. It costs $3. Yeah. It fits perfectly too. It does. That's not gonna go in the bag. Yeah, sure, just to scare whatever. But yeah, I do have pretty much all but like the other compass. Cause I want an airfill compass on what that. I do have my paracord compass, the one paracord with the fire cord in it. Paracord bracelet with the fire cord in it. That has like the. That's actually pretty accurate, to be honest. So yeah. Anyway, then Postbox Bible. Have a in the wasteland. And God bless and peace.